Sumina Thakuri from Prithibinarayan Secondary School. I study at grade 9 and today I am going to introduce about Unit 2 Demography and Population Change, which is in our Health, Population and Environment Education. Today I am going to introduce about demography in English. Demography is the branch of science which studies and analyzes the various issues related to population in a scientific way. Demography is defined in two senses, in narrow sense and wider sense. In narrow sense, demography is defined as formal demography. As well as in wider sense, demography is defined as social demography. Source of population data. There are two types of source of population of data. They are primary source and secondary source. In primary source, there are 5 types. They are census, vital registration system, which is known as PRS, sample survey, administrative record, and population register, as well as secondary sources, which have 5 types, and they are textbook, statistical yearbooks, periodic record, research report, monograph. Primary source of population are the first-hand information which are directly collected. There are 5 types of primary source. They are census, vital registration system, VRS, sample survey, administrative record, population register. Today I am going to describe about census. Census is defined as a demographic process of collecting information about people of particular geographical area within fixed period of time. According to UNO, census is defined 1970 as a census of the population is the total process of collecting, compiling, evaluating, analyzing, and publishing the demographic, economic, and social data pertaining at a specific time to all the person in a country or in a well-delimited part of country. According to the definition, population census is not only head count of people, it is more than that. The information about age, sex, religions, ethnicity, language, literacy status, occupational status, status of employment, etc. of an individual is collected in census. Census of Nepal was started from 1911 AD in Nepal. Method of census. Generally there are 3 types of method in census. They are de facto method, de jure method, modified de jure method. De facto method of census. Actual residence of an individual at the time of enumeration is the base of this method of census taking. A particular day is determined, generally night of full moon day, and census is done. Night of census is called census night. This method of census is practiced in India in 1932 AD. Britain is the country which uses this method nowadays. De jure method of census. Permanent residence of an individual is the best for this kind of census taking. Persons of temporary residence are not included. 2 or 3 weeks periods for enumeration is previously determined, and the period is called census period. One of the census period is considered as census reference day. Modified de jure method of census. If individual is residing for last 6 months or more period, they are enumerated. Nepal is also this method since 1952 to 1954 AD. It means that in de facto method of census, generally it is done in only full moon day, and this when the census of night is called census of night. And de jure method, which have only counted in their permanent address, and modified de jure method has this while they have stay 6 more than other month, they will counting in that place. This project work is given by Ananta Mial sir, and we thanks to him because he give us this project work which make the children kind and attract in learning. Thank you very much.